Google Forms is a great way to gather information, whether you want to create a quick assessment or gather data for your school. The possibilities are endless and it's so easy to set up. Go to forms.google.com or you can go to your Drive to create a new form. You can also start this process from Google Classroom or go to forms.new. Click on the big plus and create a new Google form. As a good habit, always name your files right at the start. I will title the form here and click here to replicate the title to the form name. You can organize or star the file here. In the form description, you can give the purpose and instructions to your user. By default, a multiple choice question is already created. Let's edit the question. Write the question you'd like to ask your audience. For this, we'll make it a quiz. Type the question here. Now add the answers. Notice that we don't identify the correct answer. That will come later. I want to point out that you can add images to the questions and answers. Next, we'll add a short answer. Click the plus button to add a new question. Click on this drop-down to change the question format. Notice all the options for different question types. Select short answer. Add your question at the top. We'll add the answer soon. I'll add a section in between the two questions. A section divides the questions up. This can make it easier for your audience. Think of this as separate pages for your form. Now we've got two questions. Let's go make this a quiz. In the settings, you can restrict to Weber School District and automatically collect email addresses. You can limit responses, allow users to edit submissions, and see summaries. On the Presentation tab, you can adjust the response confirmation message. Click on the Quizzes tab. Make this a quiz. You can use locked mode on district-managed Chromebooks. Keep note, it only works on district-managed Chromebooks. Do not select this if students will take it at home, on a PC, or through mobile devices. One thing I usually turn off is showing students the correct answers. Click Save. Now that it's a quiz, you'll notice that below each question has the option to create an answer key. Turn this on and then select the correct answer. Add the point value for the question. You can add feedback for incorrect and correct answers. Next, let's look at the short answer. For this, you need to add the correct response. If this could be written any other way that would be correct, add that. This is case sensitive. I will mark all other answers incorrect. You can add feedback here as well. Click on the Edit question to return to editing mode. If you are creating a form and you want to require a field to be answered, mark it required. You can also duplicate or trash a question. Let's look at where the responses go once they have been submitted. Click on the Response tab. Click the three dots for options. You can select the response destination, change the destination, unlink, or download responses. I'm going to click on this icon and create a new response spreadsheet. Let's make some minor changes before sending this out. Up here, you will see Customize Theme. Change the colors, add or upload a header image, or change fonts. Once the form is ready to send out, click on Send. You can add email addresses and send it that way, or use a link. This can be shared through email, websites, groups, or anywhere you can add a link. The Embed option allows you to embed in websites or other locations that will take HTML. Send will get it out to your audience. This is not to be confused with Add Collaborators. Click on the three dots. Click Add Collaborator. You can add others to work on this form. Again, that's not to submit information to the form, but to edit the form. Click on the preview icon to see the form and test it out. You can see how it will appear. Now that I have a couple of responses, you can look at the summary here. You can also look at it by question or individual. I can turn off the form by clicking here to stop accepting responses. Let's navigate to the spreadsheet by clicking here. If you're wondering where the responses go, they're here. Because it's a quiz, you can see the score, email addresses, and answers. Before we finish, I want to show you how to add a video. Click on the small Add Video icon. Search for a video or URL. You can scale the video by clicking and dragging on the handles. You can also add a video or photo to your form. Have fun creating learning experiences and gathering information. As a bonus, I'd like to show you branching and response validation. I'm going to duplicate this form. I'm going to turn off the quiz option. On the first question, click the three dots. Select Go to Section based on answer. I have sections created. For each multiple choice answer, select the section they should navigate to. I'm creating a final section for the finisher. For the short answer, we will use response validation. You can use expressions, text, numbers, or length. I will use match text and input the answer. Remember to add a response to the custom error text. This could be a hint or instructions. Let's test it out. Answer the question correct to move to the next section. Wrong answers will stay. Try out branching and response validation on your next form.